Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't be missed. Because as you know, I always bring such wonderful project for which you can earn a lot of profit from home very easily. So today's project name is Shendear.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I will tell you how you can sign up an account. So two type of procedure here is given: register by your email and the register by your phone number. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register your account through your email. So first of all, you have to put your email ID, then you have to set a login password. You can set a login password which is easy to remember, then you have to re-enter this login password and that you have set, and then you have to put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box, and click on the sign up now and your account will be signed up in this website. For register by your phone number, select your country code. After selecting country code, you have to put your phone number and click on the sign up, and your account will be signed up in this website. For you can also contact them on their online customer service. They will be available 24/7 helping out, and you can also join their Telegram channel for new updates. You can select the language your own option. Different types of language option here is given. So viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the sign in option, for which I am using the email login option, for which I have to put my email and the password that I have set in the registration procedure earlier, and you just click on the sign in now and my account will be signed in this website. And here you can see I successfully log in an account in this website here. Welcome to the Schneider Mall platform launching on the May 19, 2024. Schneider Electric is a French multinational company founded in 1936. It is one of the world's largest energy management companies and the optimization solution provider. Its main product includes circuit breakers, sensor controllers, serving energy facilities and the industries in various country data center and network building, providing overall solution. Among them, there is a world leader that markets such as energy infrastructure, industrial process control, building automation, data center, and the network. Daily missions time is at the 12 a.m. of the Paris time. Registration link here is given. Channel link here is given. Channel customer service link here is given. For the each VIP level, the amount of investment is different. The daily commission is also different, and you can check all the. And for inviting your friend, you will get different types of commission. For the A level is 10%. For the B level is 3. For the C level is 1%. The commission will be given to you, and you can check the different types of interesting option like the recharge, withdrawal. You can also download their app by just clicking on the download app. Click on the download anyway, and their app will be downloaded here. And you can check the company profile. In the company profile, you will get the all the type of company profile here is given, and you can check all the information about this company here is given, and all the type of their questions is also given here. And you can also check the all the type of information about this website here is given. For recharge, you have to just click on the recharge for topping up this website account. Copy this available address, or you can scan this QR code. After it, you have to go back to the wallet which are using. Click on the USD, click on the send option and just bind the address that you have copied, then put the amount for the transaction. Click on the continue option. After that, you have to confirm the transaction, and after confirming the transaction, you have to go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete, and your account will be recharged in 1 to 3 minutes after the recharging here. And you can also withdraw your earned commission from your mobile if you want to, which I will tell later. And your email address on which you have registered your account, your current status of your work and total balance. Still task reset countdown here is showing in the task hall. Here you can see I am currently working on the web VIP level, and for which amount required in investment is 10 USD, and for each level amount of investment is different, and you can check different types of up to the 10 level here is given, for which unlock amount is 22,340 USD in this website. In the membership list, you can see the member are getting live commission, earning a lot of commission from this website, and working on their different types of VIP halls, and withdrawing their money. In the task list, you will get your all the type of all tasks for today. 2 days remaining task will show here. Completed task will show here. Task reset countdown is for the 24 hour, and after 24 hour you will get your task for today. Today in progress task here is showing, and price is for the 10 USD. Income generated will be 2.5 USD. You have to just click on the to complete, and your task will be completed. Once you have completed your task, you will get your commission. Here you can see now I have completed my task. Complete type, price, time here is given, and after 24 hours I will get my task. Again, in the team option you can copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with your family and friends and ask them to join this website through your code and link. More members will join this website through your code and link. You will be awarded with different types of rewards, and your team will be built, and your team level will show here like the level 1, level 2 and the level 3. For the level 1, 12% of the commission will be given to you. For the level 3 is 2 is 3%. For the level 3 is 1% of the commission rebate will be given to you when your team member join this website and recharge in this website, and all the type of your team detail will be shown here. When you register your account in the team, you will get your team detail like the team size, team chart, team withdrawal, new team, first time chart and first time withdrawal, and selection period will be shown here. And you can see all the type of calendars here is showing for inviting your friends. In the VIP area you will get the supplementary period for each level. VIP level, for example, for the VIP 1, daily task is 1, simple interest is 2.5, daily profit is 2.5, total profit you can get is 300 USD by just investing the 10 USD in this website. For the VIP, daily task is 1, simple interest is 10 USD, daily profit is 10 USD, the total profit is 1200 USD, and you have to invest 40 USD and click on the 40 USD. After confirmation you will receive 40 transaction of 40 USD. You will be able to unlock any of their level, and you can unlock any of their level up to the VIP 10 level, for which their highest daily profit is 9176 USD. In this website total profit is a lot. In the me option you will get your email on which you have registered your account, your current status of your working, your total balance date, recharge amount, recharge, withdrawal option. Account detail will contain your basic account and the withdrawal account information that I have received after completing my task. Financial records will contain the basic account and the withdrawal account information, and filter here is given, and you can check all the type of detail here is given about the withdrawal account, and you can check all the time team recharge by task provide. All the type of detail will be given to you. You can also change your password by putting the old password, then set a new password, re-enter the password that you have set and confirm, and your password will be modified. Here you can also sign out this website application if you want to. In the language option you can select the language option, and I have selected English as my preferred language. And for withdrawing your money you have to just click on the withdrawal option, put the amount which is available for the withdrawal, then put your Tron address, go back to the wallet which are you using, click on the USDT, click on the receive option and copy this available address. And after that you have to just bind the address here, and then put the amount, put the password that you have set in the registration procedure, and click on the confirm option. And here you can see I have successfully applied for the withdrawal. When I get my commission I will show my balance details. And here you can see I have received 2.5 USD from this website account. I hope this video gives you a lot of information, and I hope this video gives you a lot of information about investing money, earning commission. Time to go. Goodbye.